Welcome to the hottest trend on YouTube right now. It's time to ride the viral wave and make some serious cash without breaking a sweat. People are raking in cash like never before, and today, you and I are going to dive headfirst into this money-making extravaganza. Last time, we took our first step into the YouTube world, but today, oh boy, we're kicking it into high gear. Are you ready to skyrocket our way to fame and fortune? We're not stopping there, my friend. This time, we're on a mission to conquer the YouTube universe with not just one, not two, but hundreds of videos. Think about it, hundreds of chances to hit the viral jackpot. Now here's the kicker. I'm about to let you in on a little secret that will change your YouTube game forever. A genius trick to churn out hundreds of viral YouTube shorts in less than an hour. Are you ready for this? These two tools are going to be your ultimate weapons in the quest for fame and fortune. And guess what? They're absolutely free. First, you want to go to ChatGPT. Ask this simple question to make sure there is mutual understanding for the upcoming task. You can make quotes, facts, jokes, or whatever can be divided into two parts. Now this one is really important. You want to make ChatGPT make a table for you with 100 ideas for your videos. Make sure that it is set up correctly. If you don't get the result you want, you ask politely again. When you have a table with 100 ideas, you just need to copy them and put them in a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets. Now, I suggest that you put a voiceover on your videos. The easiest way to do this is by going to this website, textmagic.com. This is free to use and you can pick and choose between a lot of decent voices. You don't have to do this, but it is a good idea because a lot of people are watching YouTube shorts without sound. Copy and paste all your text and download the file. You can only generate 2,500 characters at once, but you can generate voices multiple times. Now you want to head over to canva.com and press create a new design, pick YouTube shorts and open a new design. There are several options for design templates. Just go for a simple layout for starters. Now you want to drag out the clip on the timeline and make it around 10 seconds long. Delete all the unwanted text and add a new text box. We are just setting up the design and making it ready for the data from our Excel sheet. Just go to the Excel sheet, copy some of the text so we can use it as an example, and make sure our design looks good. Mess around with the design a bit. Put in the text and change the font and colors until you find something you like. For now, we the text from part 1 and the text from part 2 to get an idea on how our design will look when we are done. I like to use text effects like background color so that the text is very readable, but you can design it however you like. Just keep it simple and it should be fine. Now mine ended up looking like this, and you should have something similar. Now we are going to set up the text so that the part 1 text is shown for the first 5 seconds of the video only, while the part 2 text is shown for the last 5 seconds only. Right-click on the text, press timing, and drag the timeline. Make sure the two texts don't overlap each other, only having one text for the first 5 seconds and the other text for the last 5 seconds. Now, we are heading back to our Excel sheet. Make sure you download it as a CSV file and save it. Back to Canva, and now we are inserting the data. To do this, you need to press on Apps and search for Bulk. This app allows us to create multiple videos at the same time. Press Upload Data and choose the file we just downloaded from Excel. You want to connect the first data to the text that should show up first, and the second part data for the other text. Simply just right-click and assign data. Press Continue, and then we're almost ready. Now you want to align the two text boxes so that they are on top of each other. Press Generate Pages and all of your videos will be generated. Play them to see if everything is correct. If not, you can go back and change it. Don't worry, you don't have to do all this again this time. The last thing is to add the audio to our designs. Just drag in the audio file and start cutting it, so the audio fits the text. This can be a bit of a tedious task, but it's the last thing we need to do. Press S to cut the sound file. Match it with the right video and text. One quick tip before we upload all the videos. Go to YouTube Studio, press Settings, and Upload Defaults. Put in a standard title and description for your shorts. Remember to include hash shorts and you are good to go. Upload all the videos, publish them, and wait for them to go viral. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this guide, and I hope you will try it out. I am trying this method right now and it seems to be working quite well. I will keep you updated on the results in the near future. Don't expect success to happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep uploading, and you will hit your milestones one day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Have a great day.